Today, in the subject of essence of Indian knowledge tradition, we revise the course material. Hence, it is the basic structure of the what is the essence of Indian knowledge tradition. Tradition is used to describe any information, knowledge, innovation, or practices of the indigenous local community that is of relevance in ensuring the conservation and sustainable use of the biodiversity. It has been generated over a period of time through the process of learning and sharing by its members. Its customary practice which been transferred from one generation to the other. After long practice, it becomes a way of leading the life, establishes strong ways for the advancement, innovation. It's continuous modified from generation to generation. Benefits of this is the, for example, agricultural knowledge, localized medical aids, music, social rituals, food habits, judicial practices, and administrative practices. Worshipping beliefs value from the traditional knowledge. Food and health security to millions of the people in the developing world. Crops and medicine, military, art, music, science, etc. are developed due to the continuous input from the traditional knowledge. Indian tradition में Indian tradition is the oldest civilization with more than 5 years ago. The history of India began with the Indus Valley civilization and coming of the Aryans. Indian tradition are based on the Veda instructions. The key features of the Indian tradition are outlined in the following points. Science में the four major Sulbha Sutra of the mathematical significance were composed by the Buddharayan, Manwa, Apastamba, and Katyamba. Buddharayan, 800 BC, was the author of the Buddharayan Sulabh Shastra, earliest Sulabh Shastra, which contains several important mathematical results. He found pi to some degree, to precision, to also the Pythagoras theorem. Bhaskaracharya calculated the time taken by the Earth orbit to the Sun. This will be around these days hundreds of years before the Western astronomer had done. भास्कराचार्य ने अर्थ का ऑर्बिट को सन की तरफ जो घूमता है उसका टाइम पहले जो है वेस्टर्न एस्ट्रोनॉमर के पहले ही क्लियर कर लिया था. पाई का वैल्यू और डिग्री ऑफ प्रिसीजन और द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम आपको बुद्धरान्य ने पहले ही आपको क्लियर कर लिया था. इंडस सिविलाइजेशन also called the Harappan culture was one of the three earliest civilization of the world. ये three earliest civilization of the world है. It flourished in 250 to 900 BC. Harappan and Mohenjo-daro show that they were a scientifically advanced civilization. India's urban civilization is traceable to the Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, now in Pakistan, where planned urban township existed 5 years before. The first settlement, 300 BC, when farmers settled among the Indus River, is that is now in the Pakistan. By 2000 BC, the entire region was dominated by two cities called the Harappa and Mohenjo-daro. Traded with the Iran neighboring regions in India to the west, traded with the Persia Gulf and Sumer to the west. है ना? This is the knowledge hub. India is the knowledge hub. Taxila, Nalanda, Vikramsula, Nagarjuna, and Varanasi were knowledge hubs of the ancient India. Sanskrit, the native language of the ancient India. Philosophy, law, mathematics, medicine, astronomy, and other branches of the science, grammar, phonetics, and literature were written in Sanskrit by ancient Indian scholars, with accounts of the 95% of the Sanskrit literature and remaining 5% is of the religious nature. The Shastra or various disciplines of knowledge in Sanskrit to possess the same essential in the name of the three means of acquiring knowledge as science does. Pratyaksha, direct perception, can otherwise called observation. Anumana, the process of the hypothesis, deduction, and induction of methods of the logic. Sabda, verbal testimony, which preserves all the principles of in text form. These are the knowledge system of the Indian tradition. Trading जो होता था पहले, India was very strong in trading since ancient times. Trade with foreign lands has been practiced in India. In ancient times, goods made in India like cotton cloth, metal utensils, perfumes, spices, etc. were in great demand in the Greece, Egypt, Rome and India. Traders in India also sold a lot of the Indian things to the both China and the West Asia. Yearly on it mainly medicine, but also spices like cinnamon and the black pepper, clothing dyes like indigo, name indigo, name from India, and luxuries like pearls. The trade made India a very rich country. But because the trade mainly went through the northern India, the north part of India was usually richer than the south part. Sometime around 600 BC, Indian traders began to trade using ships on the ocean, which could carry more stuff more easily and safely than the donkeys or canals could on the land. This was good for the South India because some of the ships went to ports in the south or sailed right around the south of India. About the same time, Indian rulers began to mint the metal coins. Also, about this time, pearl drivers were collecting pearls to sell off shores of the Sri Lanka by 2000 BC. Manufacturers and extended the pearl industry to include the cheaper stone and glass beads on the southeast coast of the India. At Arkandu are traded both pearls and beads as per the Philippines to the east, as per the West Africa to the west. To facilitate trade and commerce, royal roads are constructed all over the country from east to west, from north to south. These roads were provided with milestones and planted with the tree. The river Ganga and its tributary were used for carrying goods. During the Mauryan times, the Great Royal Highway, more than 1600 kilometers inland, connected the capital Patliputra with Takshila and northwest frontier. Another long road of the great commercial importance up through Kasi and Ujjain and link the capital with great seaports of the western India. Yet another road linked the capital with the port of the Taramiliti. It was through this principal port in Bengal and India carried existent trade with China, Ceylon and Java and Sumatra. Some of the important towns of trade were Armikandu, Kaviripatram, Madurai, Cragnor, Nagapatram, Mahabalipuram, Calicut, Cochin, Mangalore, Tramalipati, Patliputra, Vidisha, Ujjaini, Kosambi, Mathura, Takshila, Ehol, Pathan, सूरत, लोथल, सुपाड़ा, बोरच एंड कल्याण, ये सारे ट्रेड के सेंटर ट्रेडिशनल भारत